Hello, and welcome to this short video on how to take Clio tours. In this short video, you will see a step-by-step procedure for how to take a Clio tour on foot or in your vehicle using a cell phone or other mobile device. You can also take a virtual tour on a desktop or laptop computer. To take the walking or driving tours, you will need a cell connection to your mobile device. But you do not need to download anything to your mobile device or computer. For this video, we will be using the Sturgeon Bay Sidewalk Stones walking tour to illustrate how to use the Clio app. You take the tours using the Clio app. Here you see the Clio website homepage. We will not go into details about Clio, but you might want to check out the Clio website to learn more about the app. Note that you do not need to log in or register with Clio to take the tours. To start, open a web browser on your cell phone or computer and enter theclio.com. At this point, you may see a window on your cell phone where Clio asks permission to use your current location. You need to allow Clio to access your location in order for Clio to guide you to each point on a tour. Select OK and the Clio website will open up. If you do not get this message, you need to turn on your cell phone location services for the Clio app. To do this, go to your cell phone settings, scroll down and click on Privacy, and turn on Location Services. Finally, on the Location Services screen, scroll down until you find the browser that you used to open Clio, then select While using the app. With your location services turned on for Clio, you can return to getting the Clio tours running. When you open the web browser and enter theclio.com, the Clio website will open. Now scroll down the website until you come to the Take a Tour button and click on the button. Clicking on the Take a Tour button opens the Clio Tours screen. Scroll down this screen until you get to the Find Tours section. Now enter Sturgeon Bay as the city and Wisconsin as the state. Then click Search and then scroll down until you come to the list of tours in Sturgeon Bay. As of June 2019, there are 3 Sturgeon Bay tours that you can take. We will use the Sturgeon Bay Sidewalk Stones tour for this video, but all the Clio tours work in the same way. Clicking on Take this tour opens a new screen, which contains an overview of the tour. Scroll down to the bottom of the tour description to see a map of the tour route. Then click the Start Tour button to go to the first stop on the tour. Here we see the first stop on the Sidewalk Stones tour. Scroll down to read more about the stop. Note that if you click the Listen button, Clio will read the description to you. The description of the stop includes photos and a map of how to get to the stop. At the bottom of the description, you will find a button that takes you to the next stop on the tour. Finally, if you scroll down to the bottom of a tour entry, you will find comments provided by other tour takers. You will also see an invitation to add your own comments to the tour entry. You do need to register with Clio to do this, but this is free and pretty easy to do. We really encourage your comments, since this can be a big help to us in filling out more information on the many interesting and historic places in Sturgeon Bay. So that's all you need to do to take a Clio tour on your mobile device or computer. We hope you enjoy using Clio tours to learn more about the place you live and the places you visit.